I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun and you see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God.